Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss about pie chart. Okay, so pie chart is also known as circular chart. Okay, and is a circular statistical graphic. Okay, which divided into a slices to illustrate the numerical proportions. Okay, so each slice represent a category of data, and a size of the slices, okay, is proportional to the quantity it represent. Okay, for example, so let's just first open your PowerBI desktop, and this for creating a bar chart, just go to this visualization pane. Okay, and here you need to select this pie chart. Okay, so this is our pie chart. We are going to select it from our visualization pane. Okay, and here you can see this is our pie chart. And if you want to create a pie chart on the basis of category and quantity, okay, so it will represent the quantity of each category. Okay, so here in category we have office supplies, furniture and technology. So the maximum quantity of the product belongs to the office supplies. Okay, so that's how you can create a pie chart, and it will represent the quantity of each category, okay, present in our data set. Okay, so you can also visualize or format your pie chart, sorry. Okay, so and if you I don't want this legends, okay, and I will simply change the detailed labels, okay, which is these labels present here. Okay, these labels are called detailed labels. Okay, so I will change this labels. Okay, so I want a category name and total percentage. Okay, and also increase the font size so that it was easily visible. Okay, and I will just erase these boxes. Okay, so now you can see here technology has 18.2% quantity, and furniture is having 2.75%, and office supplies has maximum quantity, which is 61.05%. okay, so you can also change the color of these slices from here. Okay, and I want this black and I want this as pink. Okay, so that's how you can change the color. Similarly, you can change the background color as we discussed in our last video. You can, and in generals, you can go to titles. You can increase the size of your title, align your title in center. Okay, and you can also put subtitles, spacing. Okay, and effects, background color. Okay, you can change the background color. This is not a right color. Okay, so that's how you can change the background color. You can put a visual border to make it more attractive. Okay, that's how you can create pie chart in PowerBI. Okay, I hope this is clear to everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.